If you've seen my other videos, you know that I like to make content on simple ways to invest your money on Robinhood, or just simple ways to make extra income using side hustle ideas. So I wanted to kind of change it up a little bit and do something that I haven't done before, but it's still in that same category of making extra money. And it's something that's been extremely popular over the past probably 5 years now, and that's called dropshipping. For those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, and this is according to what I know, I could be a little wrong, but what dropshipping is you're finding a product that's in demand, relisting it on your website. So finding it on a different website for really cheap, relisting it on your website or a different platform, and then selling it for obviously a little bit more on your website or platform. And of course, making a profit that way if you can sell it. So I might be slightly off on my definition of what dropshipping actually is, but regardless, I still wanted to try this concept and make a little money trying out dropshipping. So this right here is called a 40-ounce Stanley Adventure Tumbler coffee mug, water bottle, whatever you want to call it. And these things are literally gold right now. Probably the most popular water bottle or coffee mug, whatever you want to call it, the most popular thing on the market right now. So if you live in the West, especially Utah, I guarantee you've seen a soccer mom carrying one of these on the way into Target or in her big SUV. In other words, these are, again, the most popular coffee mug right now. I don't really know why. I mean, it does fit very well in the cup holder. 40 ounces, a lot of liquid in there that you can carry. So I totally noticed a trend with these things. Everyone was talking about them. Everyone has one. Influencers on Instagram were talking about them, and they're just extremely popular, and they're still very popular right now. And so if you go online, you'll notice that these are completely sold out on the Stanley website. And so I noticed that you had to wait like a couple weeks for them to drop again. And just like Jordans, new colors will come out and then they'll drop and literally get sold out in like 10 minutes. And then the original colors like this one will stay on the website for another 10 or 20 minutes when they drop. So no matter what, these cups are literally being sold out within an hour when they drop. And then if you go on websites like eBay and Amazon, you'll notice that the prices for these are double and triple. And then the colors that are discontinued are up to $150 when the original price is just $40. So I think you get the point that these are very high in demand, low supply, and people are willing to pay top dollar for them because of how popular they are. So what I had to do is I had to write down the day and time that the new supply was dropping, and there were 2 new colors that I tried to buy as they dropped. So once they did, I tried to buy them, filled out the shipping information, and as I was doing that, they both got sold, the 2 new colors. So I had to end up buying just the original colors. So I bought 2 bottles for $40 each. And of course I had to pay for shipping, which was about $6. So for each bottle, I paid $46 total. And I know with drop shipping, you're not supposed to have it actually be shipped to your house. But for me personally, I like it being shipped to where I am at so I can actually know that it's coming to my place. I can feel it, I can see it. And then that's when I go and ship it to someone else for a little bit more. And so I just shipped one on eBay. I relisted it on eBay for $71 after I paid the $46 cost. They ended up paying a total of $87, including their shipping. So someone literally paid for my product that I bought for $46. They paid $87 total for one of these babies. But the craziest part about this is even though my customer paid $87 for this, after all the fees that eBay has, all the dumb things that they charge me for, I only made about $63. So I still profited $17 by pretty much doing nothing. All I had to do was drive to the USPS store and ship it, and made an easy $17. So I do know that there's probably easier ways to do this and there's ways to maximize your profits even more, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is a perfect way to make extra money, and you can make a lot by doing this, especially if you can order high volume items and resell them very quickly for a little bit of a profit. So I really just wanted to show you guys how easy it is and how simple it is to do it. I would say mostly what it is timing and knowing what are trending right now and what are high in demand. And like I said, these things are actual gold right now. You can literally sell them for double or even triple what you buy them for. And so I really wanted to show you guys that this can be done and it's a way to make extra income. And like I mentioned before, this isn't the exact way to drop ship. This is kind of my way of doing it, but it's very similar. It's pretty much the same thing. The only difference is, like I said, I like having the products being shipped to my house. I like being able to touch it and feel it and then sending it to the customer's house. And this is the only way I'm really able to do this with these Stanley cups because, like I said, they get sold out within just a few minutes on the website when they do drop. But regardless, I was still able to make $17 just by driving 5 minutes up the road to the post office. So I hope you guys learned something from my video and my version of drop shipping. If you guys do like my content and my videos, please put a like on them. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more. And I will catch you later. See ya.